The flash mob has arrived. They're dining on crackers and egg salad that I bought with my EBT card that I got back today. And I was just thinking maybe I should put a promo video up. But then I heard the cawing. Now there's a couple of ducks in there, but they didn't seem interested. And I waited them out. And I'm told these are more likely large grackles than crows. Large black grackles. Which is what I'm going to name the video, whether or not they are in fact large black grackles, because that's how I know.